Well, you're feeling kind of low about the dues you've been paying.